Are you wondering if it's time to potty train your child, yet that child seems completely disinterested in potty training? Then you need to keep watching. Hey guys, my name is Missy Yondo. I'm the owner of Slumber and Bloom. I'm a certified pediatric sleep consultant and potty training coach. I would love for you to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss a video. Okay, so if your child is completely disinterested in potty training, you might be thinking that it's just not time to potty train, but you also might be thinking, okay, my child's like 3.5, they're gonna be 4 soon. When the heck do I potty train? Like, everyone keeps telling me, just wait till your kid's ready, just wait till your kid's ready, just like wait until I give you the signs. My kid basically potty trained themselves. Well, guess what? Not every child does that, and not every child is gonna be like, hello, I'm interested in potty training. So here are some definite signs that your child is ready. So maybe you just need to notice that your child is staying drier longer. Maybe your child, instead of wetting their diaper every 30 minutes, maybe they can go an hour or 2 hours before you notice that their diaper is wet. Yes, that means you're gonna have to pay attention to the amount of wetness that is in your child's diaper, but such is life as a parent, right? If your child likes to go run and hide in a corner when they're pooping, then they're ready for some privacy. That's another sign that your child is ready for potty training. And also, if your child brings you a new diaper when they have pooped or just peed, then they definitely are ready for potty training. Potty training readiness does not always come in the same shape and size as every child may show you. So maybe you have more than one child. So like, I have 3 kids and they all have their potty training signs completely differently. You have to know your child. Some kids are gonna be totally interested in what's going on in the bathroom, and other kids are totally oblivious to this like crazy room in the house that they don't use. So if your child isn't like, ooh, what's a potty? Then it doesn't mean that they're not ready for potty training. It just means that they need some more guidance to know what is going on in that room. Another sign that your child is ready for potty training is that your child can push down and pull up their own pants. If your child can have those gross motor skills to navigate their own clothing, your child's probably ready or very close to ready to being able to be potty trained. So now you're wondering, okay, so it really seems like my kid is ready for potty training. How do I just like give that push? Like, you're like going up the hill, but then it's like, how do I get that push over the hill and get my kid on the other side of potty training? And here's a very simple answer. Just do it. Literally, just do it. It sounds hard, but it is not, I promise you. I want you to really, really, really consider buying my potty training course. Now, this is called the Potty Party for a reason. It is Potty Party, the course, and I am really passionate about making potty training fun. This is a bonding experience between you and your child. So as much as I say you need to just do it, rip the Band-Aid, start potty training, I want you to do it my way because my way is proven to be effective and it is easy. My plan is so easy to follow. I kid you not. People are telling me that they're potty training their child in like 2 to 3 days, maybe even less. But for the children who are really ready, my methods work and it makes it so easy. So I'll give you a little tidbit, sneak peek of what is in this course. And a big portion of potty training is laying the foundation, AKA planting the seeds. So in phase 1, we're planting the seeds with your child. You need to tell your child that in X amount of days, they are not going to wear diapers anymore because they're big and they don't need diapers anymore, and they are going to learn how to use the potty. And that's that. You don't let your child tell you no. This is a huge part of parenting that a lot of parents just need to learn. I know that there is a lot of literature out there about certain ways of parenting, but like, we cannot take the actual act of parenting out of being a parent. We're not here to be our child's best friend. We are here to teach them lessons, to teach them how to do things, and that starts with potty training. And that leads me to my next little tidbit, that potty training is your first look into how your child learns. You're figuring out your child's learning style. Some kids do really well with being told what to do and they just follow directions. Other kids need to learn from their own experiences. And some kids need a blend of both. Maybe you need to give them an idea of what you want them to do, but ultimately they need to decide that they want to do it. This is your moment to learn how your child learns. So I want you to make a countdown chain with your child. If your child is involved in the process of cutting, taping, decorating the links that are gonna go in your countdown chain, you are way more likely to get your child excited about the process and they will be ready to ditch the diapers. You need to make your child believe that they are making the choices to do this whole process. So let your child pick out the underwear they wanna wear. Let your child pick out the stickers they want on their sticker chart, or the rewards they want when they go pee or poop, or the potty seat that they want to use to go to the bathroom. So this is a huge hurdle for some parents. There are parents who are very against the little potties, and there are some parents who don't really want their child climbing up onto the adult-sized toilet with just a little insert on it. But guess what? It's not your choice. It is your child's choice. Take your child to the store, let them pick out what toilet they want to use, and guess what? Your kid's gonna be interested in using it. Like, I promise you, if you listen to my strategies and you do what I say in my course, this will be so easy for you, and it will be a potty party. It's really important to use your child's interests as incentive. So if your child is interested in Hot Wheels, you buy some Hot Wheels race cars for their prizes. So when they fill their sticker chart, you let them pick out which Hot Wheels race car they want to have. Seriously, it's really simple, guys. I promise. Just buy the course, go through every single step, and I promise, like, you will be done with diapers and you will not look back. And that brings me to my next point. When you decide that you are just going to jump right in and potty train your child, you need to be 110,000% consistent. You can't go back. There is no going back, okay? There is no going back. There's no turning back. There is no putting that diaper back on that child during the day, okay? So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a lot from it. I hope that your reluctant to potty train child is a lot easier and more enjoyable to potty train when you go through my course. Seriously, get the link in the description box down below. Buy my course, watch the videos, download the PDF guide, do everything that I say, and it will be amazing, okay? I promise. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Watch these videos over here for more potty training advice, and keep blooming. Mwah!